Hello students, I am Jitendra sir. I am going to teach you chapter 2nd, Structure of Matter and Molecules. Let's start. First topic is Kanath theory. Maharishi Kanath gave idea of divisibility of matter in his Vaiseshik Darshan. According to him, if we will divide a matter, it will divide into smaller particles. We get a stage when division of particles will not be possible. He gave name Parmanu of these individual particles. Akuda Katyanan was a philosopher. According to him, Parmanu normal exists in combined form. He gave us various forms of matter, elements, compounds, and mixture, etc. Next is Dalton's theory. Dalton gave the name atom to individual particles. Dalton theories was based on law of chemical compositions. Dalton's atomic theory explained that first, the law of conservation of mass. Second, the law of definite proportion. Next topic is atom. According to Dalton's theory, all matter is made of smaller particles called atom. Atom is the tiny particles of an element. Atoms has its elements chemical nature. Atom cannot live in free state, so they combine with each other and they form molecules. But atom combines in large amount, they form matter. Molecule is group of atoms they held together by chemical bond. Molecule is the smallest particles of an element. Molecules have the chemical properties of that element. Next topic is elements. A group of same type of molecules is called element. For example, helium is made up of one atom that elements. Oxygen is made up of two atoms of oxygen. O2 is known as dioxygen, but O3 is made up of three atoms of oxygen. O3 is known as ozone. Atomicity is the number of atoms present in molecules. For example, atomicity of oxygen is 2. Atomicity of ozone is 3. Compound. Compound is made up from two or more elements. Chemicals combined in the fixed proportion by mass. For example, salt, water. Molecular formula of water is H2O. Next topic is mixture. A material made up of two or more substances which are mixed in physically proportion and is not combined with the chemically are called mixture. Mixture can be separated by physical method. For example, air is a mixture of many gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, etc. First, homogeneous mixture. All substances are present in same proportion and same state in a mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Example, salt and sugar. Second is heterogeneous mixture. All substances are present in different proportion and different state are called heterogeneous mixture. For example, milk, petrol and water.